Come on. This little bird just flew into the window. Come on, sweetie. You gonna be okay. You're gonna be alright. Come on, sweetie. Alright, hang in there, baby. Gonna have a heck of a headache, aren't you? I hope you're okay. He's still very responsive. Totally stunned. Okay, baby? Breathing okay. I don't know anything about birds, but he's responding to the touch. I think that's a good thing. You okay? Come on, little guy. There we go. Let's put you right out here. There's a little bird right there. Okay, come on, baby. Do not die. You're all right. You're okay. Come on. This is not looking good. There we go. All right, hang in there, little guy. Hang in there. You're going to be fine. You are going to be okay. Did you break a wing? Let me see. Did you break a wing? Hope not. I hope not. Be careful where you go. Hi, Amy. This little bird just flew right into the window. I'm going to let him recover here. Well, it's looking promising. You okay, sweetie? You all right? Look at good baby. Okay. That was one heck of a ride, huh? You're going to be fine. You're going to be okay. Probably has a little headache. Don't know if he's hurt that wing. Still got it out a little bit. Yeah. Cute little bird. Huh? You're a good little baby. I think it is a very young bird, or it's a little finch or something. Maybe it's a little finch. I don't know anything about birds. You okay, sweetie? Yeah. Okay. Well, Amy, now we got a little bird. We don't know what to do with it. There's my hands, and where's the bird? Right there. I can't even see him. It's dark. Let's go over here. Still see him? Yeah, right there. You okay, little one? No. Your feet okay? What's wrong with this foot here? Did you hurt that foot? There we go. Left a little deposit. That's great. Perfect. All right. Gonna be a good day, Amy.